What's good, you guys? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one. Today we have a new mod for the 6 Series. It's a small one, but it's gonna look good, and you'll notice it every time you get in your car. So basically, what these are, if you guys can't tell by the box, these. So basically, what these are, they are the lights for the bottom of your doors, for this your 6 Series. And basically what they do is they replace the OEM light that's at the bottom of your door whenever you open your door. I think it's called a puddle light if you guys want the specific name. But yeah, they replaced those, and I'll insert a clip now of what these are going to look like. But yeah, I'm gonna install them for you guys. It's an easy install. All you guys need is a trim removal tool. I don't have it with me upstairs. It's downstairs at the car. But yeah, all you need is a trim removal tool. And the reason why I have two boxes is because I have a Grand Coupe, so I have to do the front doors and the back doors. But yeah, this is gonna be a pretty easy install. So I'll go ahead and walk you guys through it. And yeah, let's get into it. So before I install these lights for you guys, I'm gonna take the car for a quick wash. As you guys can see, the car is filthy, but from like 5 feet away, it still looks clean because of the ceramic coating. But I'll take it for a wash for you guys now, so stay tuned. What's good, you guys? So I just got the car washed. This thing is looking mid, as you guys can see. I didn't get to wash it fully because I didn't get to take the car to the garage, but I just went to one of those touchless drive-through car washes. It didn't come out too bad though. But let me show you where the light is that we're going to be installing today on all 4 doors. Basically, it's going to be this light right here that illuminates the bottom when you open the door. And as you guys can see, I already have a light installed right now. So basically, the only tool that you guys need to do this is a plastic trim removal tool. And all I'm basically gonna do, I'll show you guys on video, but basically all I'm gonna do is pop out this light right there. And then there's a connector I have to disconnect, and then you guys plug in the new light. So let's get into it. So you guys see the light is right here, and all you're going to want to do is get your trim removal tool and then just work it up in there. And usually you guys can get one side out first, and I think I'm getting the wrong side right now. And as you guys can see, it came right out, and you're going to want to start on this side, the left side. And as you guys can see, it just pops right out. The connector's right here. The new one came with a new wire. I'll take it out the box right now and show it, but this has a different logo. As you guys can see, it says performance, but the new one says 6, so it looks a lot sicker. So let's get to it. So the new one is the exact same shape as the one that I'm replacing, which also, this one's not OEM. This is just a different aftermarket one. It comes in the box, it comes with this wire, but since I already have it's pretty much the same wire, I'm gonna try it with the wire that's in right now, and if it works, I'm just gonna save these wires as extras just in case. So yeah, let's get into it. So basically, you're just gonna pull out this pin, and then you guys are just gonna put the pin into the new one. Like so. And as you guys can see, it's working, and I'll show you guys on camera on the ground it says 6. Oh, that's sick as fuck. And it's definitely a lot brighter and clearer than the old ones. I guess they lose their color over time, but yeah, it looks sick. So I'll show you guys a back door, and then pretty much all you have to do is repeat the same process on the other side of your car. So yeah. Alright guys, and now we have the back door. Oh, I locked it. Oops. But yeah, let's get into it. And so basically, for the back door, it's gonna be the same process. It's just a little smaller of an area to work with. But as you guys can see, the light is there. Let's get into it. You guys can watch me pop out this light. Get the first side loose. This one's being a little tricky. I think you have to do the side, whatever side the light is on, is the side with the clip. So, yeah, as you guys can see, whatever side this light is on, the light that's right here, the clip, as you guys can see right here, is what you want to get the trim removal tool behind, and then you're gonna just pop it out. Basically, you unclip it. Let me grab the new one, wherever the fuck I left it. So the new one is right here, and then you're just gonna plug in the connector, and then look, you guys can get a better view of what it looks like now. But look, it says 6 on the ground, and you're gonna want to align it so it says 6 like this when you open the door, and not 9, because BMW doesn't make a 9 series. So basically, I'll put the camera back down so you guys have the view of me reinstalling it. Just want to tuck up that black wire on the left side, and then on the back doors. So on the front doors, the light is on this side, but on the rear doors, the light is on the right side, as you guys can see. And then you just pop it back in. Oh, I think I popped back in the. You got to pop back in the left side first, so you guys don't run into that little issue that I just had right there. So you're gonna want to pop back in the left side first, and then you're gonna want to put in the right side. Okay, I guess I'm having a little bit of an issue, and this wire just broke on me, so good thing it came with extra wires. So I'm gonna hold this wire, and I'll get back with you guys when I put the new one. So yeah, as you guys can see, shit happens when you guys are doing installs. I guess I should have been a little bit more patient. But as you guys can see, I have the replacement wire in. And as you guys can see, it lights right back up. So let's do this a little bit more carefully. We'll start with the side that the light is on. Get that in. No, we'll start with the left side. Get this one up in there first. And then since this side you can clip out. Oh my god. The problem that I'm having is this side doesn't want to go in. Let's see if I can fix that without damaging the wire again. There we go. I don't know why that took so long, but it's in. And as you guys can see, it illuminates the ground and says 6. This is the old one. That is the new one. So yeah, as you guys can see, we got them installed on the front door as well as the rear door. It's a little bit more noticeable in the rear because of the shade, but basically you guys are going to repeat the process on both sides. The same thing on the front door on the passenger side, and the same thing on the rear door on the passenger side as well. Just a note for you guys, the light is they're on alternating sides on each door. So if you guys look at the bottom of this door, the light is on the right side, and then if you guys look at the bottom of the driver door, the light is on the left side. So just mind that it's alternating, and you guys will see when you guys are installing the lights, you'll see what I guess the way the picture looks on the floor, and as long as it looks good to you, enjoy it. But yeah, it looks really sick. It's really bright. I'll go into a darker area once I finish up the install on the other doors, and I'll get some shots for you guys. But yeah, enjoy. Alright, so let me show you guys what it looks like on this side with a little bit more shade. But as you guys can see, it says 6 with the M colors around it and a ring. I think it looks sick as fuck. It's super bright, super vivid. As you guys can see, there's a light right there. This side is just in the shade, and you guys can see it's really bright. So whenever someone's opening the door to get into your car, they'll be greeted with 6, so they know what they're getting into. And yeah, this is what it looks like in the front. And then once again, when someone's getting into your car, also I apologize for the dirty interior. This car really needs a detail, but yeah, that's what you'll be greeted with. So that's gonna wrap up today's install. I got these off of AliExpress. I believe they were 20 bucks or less. Couldn't have been more than like 20 bucks for these. But yeah, let me know if you guys want the link to it. And I've also been thinking about opening my own store. I'll obviously keep inventory of everything that I'm selling, so you guys get the benefit of not waiting. I think I waited 2.5 months for these lights to come. So AliExpress, yeah, the stuff is cheap, but it takes forever to come. So if you guys are interested in me opening up a store and keeping pretty much all the mods that I have on my car for you guys to buy with fast shipping, you guys can let me know in the comments. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.